Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay with Shein gift card. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein and log into your account. So if you have a Shein gift card and you want to use it, so what you can do, you can simply redeem your gift card or add it to your account. So if you go log into your account, then click on this Me tab here. Click on the Me tab here and you will see a gift card option there. Simply hit on gift card, and then what you're going to do, you can simply type in your card number, pin balance, and you can check your balance with that. So once you okay, so you can do that. And apart from that, what you can do, you can add this, you can use this gift card option and redeem it to your account. So when you get to your checkout, when you go to your checkout page here, so when you get to your checkout page here, if you scroll down, you will see you'll see a gift card option here. So all you have to do, if you want to pay with the gift card, simply select the gift card option here and then type in the card number and the pin number of your Shein gift card and hit on apply, and that's it. Your card will be applied for this transaction, so whatever transaction you are doing, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you pay with Shein gift card. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.